Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. This session we are going to see a term called modular. Of course, this is one of the important concepts when we want to reduce the inventory level. What do we mean by modular is a system architecture design in which related tasks are grouped in self-contained packages. It need not be a software, even it can be a product or a service. Each package or module of a task perform all the tasks related to a specific function. Even in the product, it can be like this. Separate module can perform independently their own function. Advances in function can be implemented without affecting other packages or modules because of the loose coupling with the other module. One example is a multi-tiered architecture in which application business rules are separated from the data management rule. Another example is a client server architecture in which user interfaces tasks are separated from the application software. But generally you can see it is also applicable to physical product or even a service. Many of the products you can take them for a basic unit. Subsequently, as and when the need arises, you can keep adding them. So this is what it becomes a modular. And possibly service area also, you can build up a package to a certain base level, and based on the customer requirement, further additional services can be added to the original package. This is very flexible and also helps in optimizing inventory. Thanks for watching. Bye.